Hi everyone, we're doing 62 times 34 using partial products, whether you're on the worksheet or digital, it'll be the same steps. So let's go ahead and get started. As always, if you're starting to get the hang of this, I highly suggest that you pause the video, try a step, watch the video, pause, try, because it's going to stay in your brain so you'll get more out of your time if you're trying things on your own and just using this video to check it. But you can follow along if it's still feeling pretty new to you. So with partial products, you're going to take each number and split it into parts. In other words, you're putting it into expanded form. On the top, for the green blue boxes, we're going to write 62 in expanded form. So that 6 is really a 60, and the 2 is a 2. That is 62. It's our first number, and it has been split into parts, and it's ready to multiply against our 34. So we're going to put that in expanded form in the orange and red boxes. That 3 is really a 30, and the 4 is a 4. Great, now they're ready to multiply. What you're going to do is you're going to start with this green, and the boxes over here show you what to do first. So this first row here is orange versus green in the background, so it shows you what colors, and then this next box is orange-red. So we're going to do 60 times 30. Ignore the zeros and just do 6 times 3, which is 18, and then you stick 2 zeros back in. 1800 or 1800. Now we'll do green red. So 60 times 4. Again, forget about that 0. There's one of them. Just pretend it's not there. Do 6 times 4 and then put 1 0 back. 6 times 4 is 24, and then we add a 0 back in. Next, we're going to do 2 times 30. So we're done with the green. We did both multiplications. We did green orange, green red, and now we're done with that 6 or 60 rather. Next step is to do the same process with the 2. So 2 times 30, forget about the 0, do 2 times 3, which is 6, and then put the 0 back in, and 2 times 4 is 8. All right, so we've multiplied all of our parts. We did green, orange, green, red, and then blue, orange, blue, red. Now you're just going to add them up. 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. There's our 8. Okay. 4 plus 6 is 10. We're going to carry the 1. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus that little 1 is 11. So we're going to carry the 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So we got 2,108.